Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Solve each inequality and graph the solution on a number line. Part A, 3x plus 7 is greater than 19. Part B, 5 minus 2n is less than or equal to 13. Part C, 4 times the quantity y minus 3 is greater than or equal to negative 8. For Part C, use two methods. First, distribute and then solve. Second, divide both sides by 4 first and then solve. Confirm both methods give the same answer. Now, let us work through the solution step by step. Before we dive in, here are the key rules. Solving a linear inequality works just like solving an equation, except for one important exception. If you ever multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, you must flip the inequality sign. Also remember, a strict inequality like greater than uses an open circle on the number line, while greater than or equal to uses a closed filled-in circle. Here is the number line for Part A. The open orange circle sits at 4, meaning 4 is not part of the solution. The orange arrow extends to the right, representing all values greater than 4. Here is the number line for Part B. The filled orange circle sits at negative 4, meaning negative 4 is included in the solution. The arrow extends to the right, covering all values of n that are greater than or equal to negative 4. Here is the number line for Part C. The filled orange circle is at 1, because 1 is included in the solution. The arrow shades to the right, showing all values of y that are greater than or equal to 1. For Part A, we need to solve 3x plus 7 is greater than 19. To isolate x, first subtract 7 from both sides. That gives us 3x is greater than 12. Divide both sides by positive 3. The inequality sign stays the same, so x is greater than 4. On the number line, place an open circle at 4 because 4 itself is not included, and shade everything to the right. Now for Part B, solve 5 minus 2n is less than or equal to 13. Subtract 5 from both sides to get negative 2n is less than or equal to 8. Now divide both sides by negative 2. This is the key moment. Dividing by a negative flips the inequality sign from less than or equal to greater than or equal to. So n is greater than or equal to negative 4. On the number line, use a closed filled circle at negative 4, because negative 4 is included, and shade to the right. For Part C, we will use two different methods and confirm they agree. Method 1, distribute first. Multiply 4 through the parentheses to get 4y minus 12 is greater than or equal to negative 8. Add 12 to both sides. 4y is greater than or equal to 4. Divide both sides by positive 4, y is greater than or equal to 1. Method 2, divide both sides by 4 right away. Since 4 is positive, the inequality sign stays the same. We get y minus 3 is greater than or equal to negative 2. Add 3 to both sides. Y is greater than or equal to 1. Both methods confirm the same answer. Y is greater than or equal to 1. Let's wrap up. Part A, x is greater than 4, open circle on the number line. Part B, n is greater than or equal to negative 4, closed circle. And remember, we had to flip the inequality sign when we divided by negative 2. Part C, y is greater than or equal to 1, closed circle, confirmed using two completely different methods that both gave the same result. The most important rule to remember, always flip the inequality sign when you multiply or divide by a negative number. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.